left side that you saw, it's the only thing that kind of needs attention. So first I want to start off by just getting off my hinges here and my pulls, and then I've got some metal or magnet latches that need to come off. So got them popped off, got the doors off, and it took a Phillips head and a flathead to get them all. I guess whoever put it together just used both, so I just used what I had, so it's fine. You can see some scratches and stuff on the doors. I'm not sure whoever built it why they didn't put a finish or anything on it to protect it, but nothing I can't fix. So I'm going to initially start out with 80 grit sandpaper so I can go ahead and start digging into the wood pretty good. And of course Chops had to come out and supervise my work, make sure I was doing good. He's always quite judgmental, make sure I'm doing good. See, he's working hard, make sure I'm doing what I need to do. So after the 80, I went ahead and jumped to 120, and that's mainly what you're doing the whole time, just sand. But I enjoy it. I can kind of just let my mind go at ease, and there's nothing really to think about but just the project that's in front of you. So right here is after sit and cure for 24 hours, and you see it darkens on up and cures really well. So now I can just start sanding on that and getting it cleared off and getting the glue off of it, and then boom, there you go. What crack? It just pretty well disappears, and then from just finishing on sanding on up, it'll just really disappear on you. So more sanding is. So now I jumped on up to 240 grit, and then after the 240 I went to 320, and that's what I finished with, is a 320. That's as smooth as I really want to get it, and this is what it's going to look like after it, the 320. You can go on up to 400 and so, or however far you want to go, but usually 320 is usually as far as I want to go, because it really gets it pretty well good and smooth as I need to. Again, that top, man, it's pretty. And right now it's still kind of dusty, so I got to get that cleaned off really well, and then you'll really be able to see how it looks. But it already looks much better than what it did. And again, I was just hand sanding them little spindles there. Well, and give it more just a straight natural finish that still looks beautiful. But I like to go ahead and finish pieces because I like to have a little bit more protection, and it stands up better to abuse that it might get. And then with this being a coffee table, you're gonna have probably drinks and stuff. shiny like a brand new penny. I mean, wow. But it was already beautiful anyway. I just kind of livened up the piece a little bit more and just give it a little bit more fresher life. And like I said, I just kept the pools that were on it because I like the way they look. They kind of fit the piece really well. I just kind of shined up my do. Hey, you're part of the good old head to tail family. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.